Welcome. In this screencast I will show you how to install Lubuntu. First of all, this is a Lubuntu desktop if you boot it from the live CD. If you choose to boot from or to install directly, the installer will pop up directly. If you want to install Ubuntu, just double click on the icon Install Ubuntu. And the installer will pop up. So this is a pre-release version here of Ubuntu I'm installing, so it's giving me this little nice message that I'm installing in pre-release. Just skip this and we start with the install process. So the first thing we need to do is check the right language, the localization. So I'm here in Germany, so I could choose German here, but I will install it in English. Click on forward. It will check our region. We can set our time zone here if we want to. So I'm here sitting in Germany. The next thing that we can do is choose our keyboard layout. The suggested option is use A. But as I'm from Germany, I will choose my preferred German one. Need to find it. There you have it. Then the next step is a really important one. It's the partitioning process, where you can easily choose the disk space or disks to use for Ubuntu. As you can see, Ubuntu, the installer detected automatically that we already have an Ubuntu installed here, and it's suggesting to erase the entire disk as it is only 3 gigs. So I will take this option if I want to erase my disk, or I can specify my partitions manually, and this is the one thing that I want to show you. Also, here you can have a detailed view of your partitions. You can change the partition, delete them. If you have a Windows partition, you can resize this partition and make free disk space for Lubuntu. So I choose this partition here, format it, and use this as my root partition. And I have a swap partition here also. Swap is very important if you have low memory, then, or you're running on low memory, then you need, of course, swap partition. It's the best to have the swap partition double the size of your memory. If you have more than 1 gigabyte, you don't need necessarily a swap partition. But this virtual machine here has only 512 megs, so I'm giving it 205 meg swap partition. Click on next, then I can insert my name here, choose a password. See the arrows are indicating that everything was typed in correctly. The password is also typed in correctly. I can give my computer name here. Then, that's very interesting, I can choose the login process. The first option is login automatically without inserting a password. Second one is require password, and the third one is require password and decrypt my home folder, so the home folder gets encrypted, so no one else can get to your data. So I will choose the last one. Click on OK. And it's giving me a warning that my password is too easy, so it might be easy to crack, but I'll just continue here, ignore this warning. Then it gives me a detailed list view of what options I have chosen, and I want to install now. Click on install, and the installation process begins.